The power of intention. The power of intention is a concept that emphasizes the ability of focused thought, belief, and purpose to shape our lives and the world around us. It is rooted in the idea that intention is not merely a fleeting wish or desire but a deliberate, conscious force that influences outcomes. When harnessed effectively, intention serves as a bridge between thought and action, enabling us to align with our highest potential and manifest desired realities. Defining intention. At its core, intention is the directed energy of purpose. It represents the mental and emotional commitment to a particular outcome or state of being. Unlike goals, which are typically specific targets to achieve, intentions are broader and more intrinsic, reflecting a way of being rather than merely a task to complete. For example, a goal might be, I want to lose 10 pounds. An intention could be, I intend to prioritize my health and well-being. While goals focus on external achievements, intentions shape the internal mindset and energy that guide those achievements. Intention is seen as a vibrational frequency that interacts with the universe. According to this view, everything in existence, including thoughts and emotions, emits energy. When we set a clear and purposeful intention, we align our energy with the desired outcome, creating a magnetic pull that attracts corresponding experiences, people, and opportunities. This perspective often ties into practices like meditation, visualization, and affirmations, which help to solidify and amplify the vibrational resonance of intention. Key principles of the power of intention. Clarity of purpose. A clear intention acts as a guiding star. Ambiguity dilutes focus, while specificity sharpens it, making the path forward more apparent. Emotional alignment. Emotion serves as fuel for intention. Positive emotions like gratitude, excitement, and belief amplify the energy of intention, making it more potent. Focus and consistency. Intention requires sustained focus. Regularly revisiting and reaffirming your intention keeps your energy aligned and your mind attuned to opportunities. Action and trust. While intention is a powerful mental and energetic force, it must be paired with aligned action. Trusting the process while taking steps forward creates a synergy that accelerates manifestation. Detachment from outcome. Paradoxically, the most powerful intentions often come with a sense of non-attachment. This doesn't mean apathy, rather, it reflects faith in the process and openness to how the outcome unfolds. Harnessing the power of intention. To effectively use intention in your life, consider the following practices. Set clear intentions. Reflect on what you truly want. Phrase your intention in positive, present tense language. For example, I intend to live with joy and abundance rather than I don't want to be unhappy. Visualize your intention. Create a mental picture of your desired outcome. Engage all your senses to make the visualization vivid and emotionally resonant. Affirm your intention. Use affirmations to reinforce your belief in the intention. Repeat statements like, I am aligned with my purpose or I am capable of achieving my dreams. Practice gratitude. Cultivate gratitude for what you have and what is coming. Gratitude raises your vibrational frequency and enhances the power of your intention. Take inspired action. Follow intuitive nudges and opportunities that align with your intention. Even small steps create momentum. Reflect and adjust. Periodically revisit your intentions to ensure they still align with your evolving goals and values. Adjust as needed without judgment. The science behind intention, though often discussed in spiritual or philosophical terms, the power of intention has connections to scientific principles. Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself in response to thoughts and experiences, supports the transformative nature of intention. Setting an intention trains the brain to focus on opportunities and behaviors that align with that purpose. Reticular activating system, RAS, this part of the brain acts as a filter for incoming information, prioritizing what aligns with our dominant thoughts and beliefs. By focusing on an intention, the RAS becomes attuned to related opportunities, people, or resources that might have otherwise gone unnoticed. Quantum physics. Some interpretations suggest that consciousness and observation can influence the behavior of particles. This notion resonates with the idea that our focused thoughts, intentions, can affect the reality we experience. Psychological priming. Intentions create a mental framework that subtly influences our actions, decisions, and interactions, steering us toward outcomes aligned with our desired purpose. Some real-life applications might be health. Setting an intention for health and vitality can lead to better lifestyle choices, attracting the right resources and practitioners to support well-being. Relationships. Intending to foster loving and supportive connections can improve communication and draw like-minded individuals into your life. Career and finances. A clear intention to thrive in your career or attract financial abundance helps you notice opportunities, develop skills, and build confidence. Personal growth. Intending to live authentically or cultivate inner peace encourages habits like mindfulness, meditation, and self-reflection. The transformative potential of intention. The power of intention is not a passive force, it's a dynamic, co-creative process. It requires belief, effort, and alignment. Whether viewed through the lens of spirituality, psychology, or science, intention is a tool for growth and transformation. It reminds us that we are active participants in shaping our reality, empowering us to live with purpose, meaning, and fulfillment. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing for more Law of Attraction content.